Hello, my dear readers. My name is ALEKSANDRA VEBLE. I'm Slovenian author and self-publisher. English is my second language. At 60, yes, at age of 60, I published my first book in my native Slovenian language. And 5 years later, in English. My dear readers, please support my bookshelf on Kindle and paperback. I write about fiction drama, crime, love, psychology from all around the world. Enjoy my reading the way I enjoy it, writing it just for you. I appreciate your time. Thank you. Hvala, shukran, merci, and until my next book. And if you want to know more about me, here is the only ALEKSANDRA VEBLE from Slovenia. Greetings, aloha.